When he passed away, that was a shock for all of us. He was not well many a times. He had fainted. He had this, kind of epileptic, that seizure kind of thing. एक तो अपना कोई गुजर जाए आप पहले believe नहीं. I couldn't listen to my father's music for 7-8 years, after he passed. सुन ही नहीं सकता था मैं. I cannot believe in energies, whatever soul being carried on. Slow cooking is the best cooking we've heard in the past. Someone has to bring it alive in front of them. I am doing that. I wanted to do that. I know. I want to present it in flesh and blood. Listen, hey guys, I am singing. Do you like it or not? My son is 15, and he's listening to Pink Floyd at 13. He's listening to Radiohead. So why he's not listening to hip hop? I'm not saying hip hop is bad, but there cannot be just hip hop. ये क्यों नहीं करते, वो क्यों नहीं करते, ये कैसे किया? अरे मेरे पास टाइम ही नहीं, मैं म्यूजिक करता नहीं हूँ, म्यूजिक मेरे से होता है. मतलब मेरे को चांस ही नहीं मिला फोक समझने को. पैदा ही हुआ फोक. इंटरनेशनल आर्टिस्ट को हम पैसे देख पा रहे हैं, तो क्यों अपने आर्टिस्ट को भी नहीं दे? सी देयर इज नो ओनिंग योर स्टफ. पहले क्या था ना, आप कैसेट सीडी खरीदते तो एक जगह बनाते हो घर में, उसको रखोगे, तो वो लाइव अगर आपको वहां बैठ के सुनने को मिलेगी जब हो रहा है, तो कितना अच्छा लगेगा वही साउंड. तो आई थिंक लोगों को देखना है, आर्टिस्ट जब गाता है उसका यहाँ पे वेन निकला, दिस सो मच हैपनिंग, इट इज रियल, वो देखना जरूरी है.
ये गजलों वाले पे मैंने आपसे बहुत पहले भी काफी मतलब वी हैव स्पोकन टू यू अबाउट दिस अ लॉट एंड यू हैव बीन वेरी कैंडिड अबाउट योर सॉर्ट ऑफ लव फॉर गजल्स एंड नाउ दैट इट इज स्लोली टेकिंग शेप यू आर कमिंग टू दिल्ली tomorrow. How do you sort of see this now shaping up in terms of, the audience has also started reacting to this sort of love of ghazals that you have, and how do you see them sort of grow with it along with you?
It's interesting because I think there have been ghazal lovers all over the world. Anywhere you go, there's Indian diaspora, basic South Asian people mostly. Yes, ghazal का एक तो रहा है ना, like a fan following.
Yes.
And we were, I think, stuck to Jagjit Singh, Mehdi Hasan, Ghulam Ali, and then Hariharan ji did, a couple of albums.
Yes.
But after that, there was nothing really happening, like anything, like an addition, like a serious addition to it. People are doing ghazals. Of course, they are great singers, but most of the poetry was also, I think, last done by Jagjit Singh, who's searching for poetry here and there for ghazals. Ghazals are actually the written poems. Yeah, हम जब गाते हैं वो गजल पे धुन देना होता है. गजल है वो जो लिखता है कोई, है ना? So all this, while I think people are listening to all the old poets of those times, like 300 years back, blah blah, but now after Jagjit ji was trying to, Nida Fazli and all these great poets or modern poets of those times, वो खत्म हो गया था. I think मुझे हमें कुछ नया नहीं मिला. So when I did Ghazals MTV Unplugged, I forgot when, like maybe 2013-14, like that.
Yes, more than 10 years easily.
Yeah, easily. Yeah, so I did, पहले तो रंजीशी किया था, और फिर I did ये मौजज़ा. So I said I wanted to do two ghazals in a very bluesy, jazzy way, and that would fit MTV Unplugged. But Bollywood is so big in India that they said no, because it has to be Bollywood Unplugged. That is MTV Unplugged India. I said, let's try to karte. And this is much before Ranjishi say, I think, and all these ghazals were done in Pakistan Coke Studio and all of that. Huh?
Yes,
this
true.
was before that. I did Ranjishi say, and that by then nobody had tried a modern approach yet. So I didn't know how to go about it. So I said, मैं ना नहीं सुनूंगा मेहदी हसन साहब को. मुझे बचपन से जो भी अंदर है about that ghazal, I will just do it. मैं जगजीत सिंह को नहीं सुनूंगा. मेरे अंदर जो है वो निकलेगा. So it's a cover tribute, right? That I'm not trying to copy them, or जो मजाल ही नहीं है करने का. तो I designed it in a very different way. Drums, I brought in drums. Drums कभी ऐसे use नहीं हुआ था. It was so good that the next year, or next to next year, MTV gave me a whole episode of ghazals, which was like, path breaking. It was amazing because हमने उनको convince कर दिया basically with the response. So I did the whole 6 गजल एपिसोड, एंड उसके भी अभी भी आज जाने की जिद ना करो, मोहब्बत करने वाले अभी भी लोग बहुत सुन रहे हैं उसी वर्जन का, एमटीवी अनप्लग।
Yes.
अनफॉर्चुनेटली द वीडियो इज ऑन एन ऐप, यूट्यूब में नहीं है, एमटीवी हैज सम ऐप। सो सो फिर वो रह गया, बट आई वांटेड टू डू माय ओन गजल्स, सो आई वेटेड, है ना। मुझे
Hmm.
लगा कि मैं जब मेरी खुद की गजलें बाहर होगी या मैं करूंगा, तब मैं गजल करूंगा, यू नो, कवर कर कितना करेंगे।
Hmm.
बट ऐसा टाइम गया कि लोगों को भी लाइव चाहिए था, लोग बोल रहे थे अरे आप करो यार प्लीज यार, बहुत अच्छा लगता है ये, तो आप लाइव क्यों नहीं करते जो एमटीवी अनप्लग में किया। सो वी स्टार्टेड शाम महफिल। आई कॉइन दिस वर्ड शाम महफिल बिकॉज इट इज नॉट जस्ट अबाउट गजल्स, इट इज ऑल्सो अबाउट उस जमाने के ना गुलजार के गाने, या मतलब जो भी वो मूड के जिसमें महफिल का। दिल्ली में आई यूज्ड टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ महफिल, राइट,
Yes.
और
Hmm.
कॉलेज। तो
Hmm.
वो कॉलेज डेज का गजल का जो वाइब था, गजल से नहीं, मतलब वो जो मूड था पूरा, वो
Hmm.
वो मुझे लाना था, यू नो, एक
Hmm.
लाइव सिनेरियो में। सो आई कॉल इट महफिल, क्योंकि महफिल में बहुत कुछ हो सकती है, बातें हो सकती है।
Exactly.
सो तो
It's
महफिल
not
किया,
just a
एंड
concert.
not just a concert, yeah, not just songs, you know, it can be a
Hmm.
vibe, it can be a hangout,
Yes.
though it is musical and like a concert because obviously लोग मुझे सुनने आ रहे हैं, but I did that, and it एक दो का मैंने यूट्यूब में डाला था, उसके बाद इतना ज्यादा इंक्वायरी आया लोगों को कि हमारे शहर में चाहिए, हमारे शहर में चाहिए, हमारे शहर में, तो दैट काइंड ऑफ वाज वेरी इंस्पायरिंग। So it encouraged some of the organizers, some show organizers, to come up to us and say, "We want to do a show series." So now, right now, we're doing a Shami Mehfil, but ये मैं इतना लंबा इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ, as you asked me about ghazal story, कि अभी I am sitting on 2 EPs of my own original ghazals. We are complete ready musically. Music and
Hmm.
poetry is also. तो एक तो
Yeah.
इशाद कामिल साहब ने लिखा है, एक वैभव मोदी ने लिखा है, मेरे फ्रेंड है।
Hmm.
तो 2 EPs है, और तीसरे पे हम काम कर रहे हैं, ये दोनों रेडी है। सो आई वांट टू लॉन्च इट एज सून एज आई कैन, मे बी इन 2 months 3 months टाइम, यू नो।
Hmm.
So when that happens, now then I'll tour with my own ghazals as well as some tributes.
Hmm.
And as you are asking me, how's the audience shaping up? It is becoming so good that tomorrow is our last show of the series. And after
Hmm.
that, Shami, I was calling my manager. I was telling him like, यार अब क्या शामी महफिल नहीं होगा, इस सीरीज खत्म, टूर खत्म हो गया यार, प्लीज एक थोड़ा और करते, बिकॉज द ऑडियंस इज everywhere going, is becoming so uh, so involved, so reactive. So I said ये करना है, it's very good times, and the set we create with the jazz, the like vibe, like the drums, the grand piano, saxophone, you know, the all the mix, bass guitar and guitars
Hmm.
and violin.
Yes,
It's
everything.
it's you have to come to see it, like what it means, what I'm talking about.
So यहाँ पे एंड आई बिकॉज मैं हमेशा क्वेश्चंस भेजता था, दैट्स व्हाई आई डिडंट इंक्लूड दिस क्वेश्चन। पापॉन ने पहली गजल कौन सी सुनी थी, कितने साल के थे, एंड कब गजलों के साथ यू फेल इन लव विद द कॉन्सेप्ट एंड एंटायर सॉर्ट ऑफ आइडिया ऑफ अ गजल?
I don't know. I was too young to understand. I just liked it before I knew what it was, I think, you know. तो बहुत बचपन में गजल का शौकीन हो गया था, and I तो heard one interview when I got little popular. My mother was giving an interview. My parents were also great musicians and
यस।
very respected musicians of Assam. So वो जब एक इंटरव्यू में सुना, उनको किसी ने पूछा कि कैसे इसको गजल का था, वो बोले कि मुझे तो डर लगता था, she being a musician and a very celebrated singer of Assam, she said मैं देखो ये करीब शायद क्लास 5 4 ऐसे स्टैंडर्ड में पढ़ रहा था, 6 क्लास 6 5, वो हारमोनियम लेके ना ऐसे इतने दुख भरी गजलें गाता था, तो मुझे था इसको कुछ प्रॉब्लम क्या है, मतलब इसको कुछ, आई होप ही शेप्स अप इनटू हैप्पी पर्सन, यू नो, व्हेन ही ग्रोज अप। शी वाज वरीड। तो मेरा मुझे लगता है ये पिछले जन्म का या ऐसा कुछ भी हो सकता है ना, इट्स नॉट, यू नो, आई मीन इतने छोटे बच्चे को कैसे होता है, आई थिंक इट्स आल्सो got lot to do with the upbringing and the environment you are brought in, and you know, brought up in.
यस।
Also, I believe these things. I believe in last life. I believe in energies, you know, whatever soul being carried on. So कहीं का होगा, बचपन से जब मुझे समझ ही नहीं आया, before I understood, I was, into ghazals.
Yeah. Now to transcend it to, as you also said, to use, saxophones, pianos, bass guitar. This is sort of unheard of when it comes to ghazal music. It is usually a single instrument sort of genre. मतलब जब भी कोई दिमाग में गजल बोलता है आज से 10 साल पहले, दिस इज द इमेज. यस, वेरी
Right?
ब्यूटीफुल मीनिंग एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो वेयर डिड ये कहाँ से आया कि इसको ऐसे म्यूजिकली प्रोड्यूस करेंगे? बिकॉज there's a probably a new target audience that wants to sort of accept music like that, or was it some other reason?
See, my upbringing was very different. I was brought up in the Northeast, right? So there was a lot of influence of rock and gospels and blues.
Yes.
I come from very India,
Hmm.
and uh, and I'm influenced by this other side also, which is the Hindustani classical, the ghazals, right? So,
Hmm.
iska ek mission hua. There was a fusion within me because of my listening, maybe. That whenever I would listen to ghazals, I could hear so many parallel harmonies. So
Yes.
Indian music was very, I mean, it's a wrong word, monophonic, not polyphonic, if it makes sense. It was not like layered, as you
Yes,
said,
true.
single,
Yes.
that kind of vibe. But Jagjit Singh started that actually with the guitar and everything. He had nice harmonies and stuff
Yes.
happening, backing the music, backing the melody.
Hmm.
That definitely, मुझे मेरे जो इंटरेस्ट है उस पर थोड़ा और चार चांद लगाया कि ये ऐसा तो मुझे करना है. और it was not a conscious thing. It just happened to me. I would sing with the guitar when I'm singing in Delhi, when college
Hmm.
days. है ना, मैं
Yes.
गजल क्यों बजाना नहीं आता हारमोनियम. और गिटार I found it gives me the rhythm as well as the tune and the melody.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
so it's a good support to sing alone somewhere. And if you understand, I learned tabla. So when you
Hmm.
learn tabla, you know how to do the swing correctly with a guitar or be it a drum. If you know tabla, your body will react in a way that your ghazal will, your drums and your guitar in the ghazal space will have a different usage than a normal drum and a guitar for other songs.
Yes, true.
So that was in my head. Those polyphonic, those parallel harmonies always in my head. So when we sat down, I wanted to produce it in a way where it. I get those harmonies happening, which
Hmm.
will also which in turn actually maybe made it more attractive for newer generations, for people with a wider spectrum of listening of different sorts of music. That kind of made it more interesting for them.
Its listeners have also evolved. Matlab they now polyphonic. They understand what polyphonic sounds are, and matlab they'll react more to that kind of a sound, right?
Exactly,
And
exactly.
the sort of the third part to this is मतलब गजल. I personally believe that गजल किसी भी generation में मतलब anyone can fall in love with गजल. मतलब I was listening it since I was in school. My mother used to listen to Jagjit Singh Saab, and then that's how it grew. And even now I listen to, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to listen till the time I die. And I think it's the same for everyone because ghazal is that sort of a genre where sort of time slows down and you're listening to the words, you're listening to the music, you're sort of finding your own meaning with it. बट आजकल की जनरेशन के पास पापा ऑन द टाइम कहाँ है? 30 seconds इंस्टाग्राम रील ग्रेटिफिकेशन मिल गया. Who has the time to listen to ghazal and interpret the meaning? And how do you sort of fit into all of that?
I think we're going through a phase where a lot of experiments have happened in our lives in a different way. Instant food, instant noodles, instant so many things. So, but slow cooking is the best cooking we've heard in the past. Life is
Hmm.
full circle. It is going to come back. The generation now will again, but we have to give them. Someone has to present it to them for them to taste it. For
Hmm.
them, it is in the shelves. It is in a museum. Someone has to bring it alive in front of them. I am doing that. I wanted to do that. I know I
Hmm.
want to present it in flesh and blood. Listen, hey guys, I'm singing. Do you like it or not? And I'm telling you what young generations are coming to my concerts. And some people maybe come from my Bollywood to, maybe kind of sample and they realize, what is this happening? So I take them through, in a short time, I take them through what it could mean. And poetry is poetry. अगर दिल पे लग गई बात तो इंसान की बात है, दिल की बात है, दिल तक तो जाना ही है. So, I think it is the presentation, is the times. I think the people, the young ones, not, we shouldn't say all young ones, because मेरे like I have two kids now. You know, my son
Hmm.
is 15, and he's listening to Pink Floyd at 13. He's listening to Radiohead. So why he's not listening to hip hop? I'm not saying hip hop is bad, but there cannot be just hip hop. Is
Yes,
my point.
true.
And
Hmm.
my son is listening to these things without me introducing it to him. और ये गाने के 7-7 10-10 मिनट के होते हैं फ्लाइट के गाने.
Yes.
तो सुन रहा है तो अब गजल को कोई अच्छा पेश तो करे.
Hmm.
Someone has to present it musically attractively, no, to the
Hmm.
newer generations, and something which, uh, yeah, as you said, it slows down. Ghazal slows down the time when you listen to it, and that slowing down is, in fact, even more important now because everyone is burning out. We need to slow down.
Hmm. And matlab, you've always been matlab, I've seen you since college. I think that old fort performance जब आपने साथ के लिए बजाया था, that was my first performance. And I remember you saying that I am a live performer उस time पे. And that sort of stuck with me even then and even now. And there is this ghazal wala part. There is this Papon ka, obviously the Assamese folk artist that is the sort of how you sort of came up. And then there's the third sort of Bollywood, that vibe is also there. How do you sort of manage through all of these and, get time for something like a ghazal to, think on these things and want to be able to sort of spend time in studio creating this and then rehearsing it to do live as well to present in front of an audience?
I don't get time, so that's why I'm saying I'm lucky. I don't have time. I don't have time. I'm so busy. People think ये क्यों नहीं करते वो क्यों नहीं करते ये कैसे किया अरे मेरे पास टाइम ही नहीं यू कैन इमेजिन आई डोंट हैव टाइम बिकॉज आई हैव so much to do and I'm doing so much and all this takes time. It is not कि बटन दबा दिया हो गया, right? I am trying to create something away from what is happening also sometimes and that takes time because जो हो रहा है उसको करने में बहुत सारा टाइम नहीं लगता है कॉपी पेस्ट ही कह लो इट्स नॉट उतना टाइम नहीं लगता बट टू रीथिंक रीबिल्ड रिक्रिएट न्यू स्पेस इज टाइम कंज्यूमिंग सो मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है मैं बहुत इतना बिजी हूँ कि मेरा टाइम ही नहीं मिलता है ये सभी करता रहता हूँ हर वक्त.
But Tapanda, life in a metro has a completely different vibe. आप उस शेल से बाहर निकल के गजल के शेल में कैसे आते हो? How do you sort of do that? That's a rock
आई
star
हैव
vibe. This is a very ghazal with that kind of a vibe.
मुझे लगता है मैं बहरूपिया हूँ. Like a chameleon. But yeah, I would say, yeah, I think, I don't know what to say to this because of as I say, maybe I was born to do this. Maybe I was born in a family or maybe in a region where I had so much of different, flavors to taste and experience. But somehow I managed to, over time, be true to all of them. I like when I listen to blues, it has to be real blues. When I listen to jazz, it has to be real jazz and like real hardcore. मुझे it has to affect me. मैं म्यूजिक करता नहीं हूँ म्यूजिक मेरे से होता है मतलब वो it has to affect me to come out of me. So when I listen to a good blues lick, I know what a good blues guitar tone is like a clean
Yes.
Fender Strat. What does that mean? I know इस सारंगी का क्या सुर है. I know एक बांसुरी का कितना साज का वो खरास निकलता है. आई नो तबला तो तबले का जो तीन ते कितना एक दाया से आवाज निकल सकता है. आई नो हाउ ए स्नेयर कैन मेक 32 साउंड्स नॉट जस्ट
Hmm.
वन साउंड. तो ये सब जब पता होता है ना देन आप कुछ भी करो आई थिंक यू विल इंडल्ज सो मच कि उसका उस फॉर्म में आप मैं मेरे को हो जाता है. आई एम equally moved by ghazal as much as his blues, rock, psychedelic rock, and the rock film Bollywood, which I present, you said like Metro, whatever. There is a me in what I do there, I know, but at the same time, uh, yeah, I mean, like I enjoy all of this so much that it's ho raha hai bas. And folk coming from my father, as you said, folk, folk तो मैंने मेरे को चांस ही नहीं मिला फोक समझने को. मैं पैदा ही हुआ फोक सुन के शायद सो ये था ही फोक मतलब जब बजता है तो आई डोंट नो आई कांट एक्सप्लेन व्हाट हैपेंस टू मी इज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग.
We can only see on stage, I guess. Huh?
या
And and I was coming to this point also that you've live performer ka my last sort of big question to this was that इंडिया मतलब आई डोंट नो इफ इट्स हैपनिंग और नॉट, बट 10 years पहले इतना लाइव गिग्स नहीं होता था, एंड नाउ इट्स, एंड स्पेशली मतलब विंटर्स में इट्स ऑलमोस्ट नाउ एवरी वीकेंड वी हैव अ गिग, एंड आई एम लिटरली हैविंग टू चूज कि अच्छा वो ऑल ऑफ दीज गिग्स आई हैव टू अटेंड, ऑफ कोर्स फ्रॉम अ कवरेज पर्सपेक्टिव, काम का पर्सपेक्टिव इज डिफरेंट, बट टू एंजॉय एज वेल। एंड
Yeah.
आई कैन थिंक कि यू आर नाउ लिटरली स्पॉइल्ड फॉर अ चॉइस कि कौन सा शो देखूं, एंड इंटरनेशनल इंडियन स्टार्स, इट्स एवरीथिंग। How do you feel at this point in time as a live performer? Do you think, yes, things are very good, matlab, as compared to say 15, 20 years ago? And what do you think should be sort of done to sort of keep this live thing going?
I think, yeah, we are getting there in terms of people support has to be very important. Audiences.
Yes.
We have had so many. We still have so many free festivals, right? Like Garba, Dandiya, Bihu, क्या है फिर पूजा,
Yes.
Ganesh Chaturthi.
Navratris, yes.
So
All of
much
them.
happening. And India is so much about music. Everything in our lives is about music only. सुबह से शाम तक कोई मर रहा है म्यूजिक, कोई पैदा हो रहा है म्यूजिक, है ना? So much music. सो ये था, तो इसीलिए जो मॉडर्न आर्टिस्ट था, किसी भी टाइम का मॉडर्न, अभी का मॉडर्न नहीं, 60-70 साल पहले भी मॉडर्न आर्टिस्ट हो,
Exactly.
उसको भी, हाँ, तो उसको उस टाइम का मॉडर्न है, वो उस टाइम का
Hmm.
कॉन्टेम्पररी था। तो वो कंपोजर सिंगर सॉन्ग राइटर जो था, जो मेरे पिताजी थे, आई रिमेम्बर हिम ओनली सिंगिंग हिज सॉन्ग ऑल हिज लाइफ एंड मूविंग 80,000 पीपल टिल ही डाइड, दैट काइंड ऑफ शोज। तो ये इंस्पायर्ड मी। तो ये जो है, ये लोगों को समझ आता था, प्रोडक्शन का कॉस्ट बढ़ जाता है, क्योंकि द वे वी आर प्रोग्रेसिंग नाउ, है ना,
Hmm.
साउंड क्वालिटी बढ़ता जा रहा है, उसको
Yes.
अचीव करने वी नीड इक्विपमेंट, मिक्सर्स, गियर्स, इंजीनियर्स, सो मच टू अचीव दैट, तो उसका कॉस्ट बहुत ऊपर है। एंड अब इफ यू वांट टू हैव एन एक्सपीरियंस नाउ ऑफ अ बिग प्रोडक्शन, लाइक स्टेज बना के कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग हो,
Yes.
वो के लिए खर्च है। तो अब people are just, I think, about started to buy, no, people in India started to buy, have started buying tickets now, which was
Yes.
which was very rare,
Health
earlier.
passes de do,
Even now,
please.
yeah, even now I heard, like my friends tomorrow, some friends have actually, one guy I know has bought 18 tickets for his friend's family, so ये सपोर्ट जब आ रहा है कि हम अगर इंटरनेशनल आर्टिस्ट को हम पैसे देके देख पा रहे हैं, तो क्यों अपने आर्टिस्ट को भी नहीं दें। तो लोकली ये जब होगा, और जो हो रहा है थैंकफुली, तो आई थिंक देन देन इट्स सेल्फ सस्टेनिंग, तो ये चलता रहेगा। फिर आर्टिस्ट को भी उतना ही वो होगा, इंकरेजमेंट होगा कि मैं और बेटर करूं, मैं ऐसा कर दूं, म्यूजिक को वैसा कर दूं, 2 आर्टिस्ट और लगा लेता हूँ, और व्हाट नेक्स्ट, अब मैं नेक्स्ट ईयर क्या करूं नया टूर में। So
Hmm.
there is more involvement, more output in a certain way. I mean, music तो म्यूजिक अपनी जगह है, वो तो गाया गया ही हमेशा, सिंगर तो
Hmm.
अच्छा ही गाएगा वो। आप उसका एक गिटार दे दो, पेड़ के नीचे खड़ा कर दो, या जहां भी, I mean, उसको अगर अच्छा गाना है तो गाएगा। But other things are, I think, happening now, and live scene is much better now. मतलब it's in 10-15 years आगे तो कुछ कह ही नहीं सकते। But we are quite close to world class production now. And we are not close to, we are doing some, and we can be a little better, but with time we are heading there.
Mm. And what, how much of do you think is this in connection to, recorded music now? Because you can stream, you can, literally listen on YouTube. You don't have to buy cassettes, you don't have to buy CDs. अब शायद वो वाली एक वैल्यू नहीं रही है एक रिकॉर्डिंग म्यूजिक से, जिसकी वजह से probably live becomes that, because it is that moment that you're sharing with the artist, which earlier was with maybe a cassette or a CD. Now it's not the same anymore.
Hmm. Could be, yeah, because if you buy a CD or a cassette, you possess it, you value it, and yeah,
Yes.
वो होता। अब सब्सक्रिप्शन कौन कितना करता है, बहुत सस्ता भी है, and there is no owning your stuff। पहले क्या था ना, आप कैसेट सीडी खरीदते हो तो एक जगह बनाते हो घर में, उसको रखोगे, उसका
Yes.
अपना कलेक्शन बनाओगे, एक कोने पे स्पीकर्स होगा, वही सुनेंगे, है ना। पहले तो
Yes.
एलपी था, तो मेहनत होता था कि उसको पलटना पड़ेगा, यू ऑल्सो हैव योर बिट इन्वॉल्वमेंट इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ लिसनिंग एन एल्बम।
Yes.
तो लेकिन अभी का समय तो वो भी वापस आएगा बिकॉज अभी एलपीज आर बैक इन अ वे,
Yes.
बिकॉज
Hmm.
पीपल वांट टू
Circle is
पीपल वांट
coming
टू
back. Full circle.
हाँ, पीपल वांट टू होल्ड समथिंग कि मैंने लिया है, मेरी भी इसमें कंट्रीब्यूशन है,
Hmm.
अब ऐसे फ्री में यार उस पे कंट्रीब्यूशन नहीं होता ना। तो आई थिंक,
Exactly. Yes.
हाँ, तो आई थिंक वो होगा। बट या मे बी दैट्स द रीजन आल्सो पीपल वांट टू गो वॉच। बट आल्सो ऑनेस्टली म्यूजिक लाइव ही होता है, यू नो।
Yes. Of
even
course.
even when even when we started, whoever the big bands in the 80s 70s internationally also recorded, प्रोड्यूस साउंड तो ध्वनि तो प्रोड्यूस लाइव ही कर रहा है ना, एक बैंड बजा ही रहा था ना, उसी को तो रिकॉर्ड
Yes.
किया गया था। तो वो लाइव अगर आपको वहां बैठ के सुनने को मिलेगी जब हो रहा है तो कितना अच्छा लगेगा वही साउंड। तो आई
Hmm.
थिंक लोगों को देखना है, आर्टिस्ट जब गाता है उसका यहाँ पे वेन निकल है, दिस दिस सो मच हैपनिंग, इट इज रियल, वो देखना जरूरी है। म्यूजिक
Hmm.
तो लाइव होना जरूरी ही है।
Yes. Perfect. Papan, the final though questions about Zubinda. First, I want a sort of reaction on this entire sort of thing that has happened after his death, the sort of coverage and all of this that is happening. How do you sort of see it, and how do you sort of react to it?
I don't know how to react to it. I mean, basically, when he passed away, that was a shock for all of us because you do not expect someone so young, someone so rocking, someone doing so well to suddenly disappear at dying so young. So you don't expect that. ये हुआ तो टाइम ही लगा हमें समझने में कि सच में हुआ, हो नहीं सकता। He had this, you know, he was not well many a times. I mean,
Hmm.
he had gone two, three times, maybe more. He had fainted. He had this, kind of epileptic, that seizure kind of thing. He had this.
Okay.
I know long back. I've
Hmm.
heard about it, and I think it is. It had happened a couple of times. तो मुझे लगा कि शायद ये
वही हुआ
होगा
है.
यार, हो नहीं
Hmm.
सकता। I mean, हो नहीं सकता ना। You feel like how can,
Of course.
एक तो
Hmm.
अपना कोई गुजर जाए, आपको आप पहले बिलीव नहीं करते, ऊपर
Hmm.
से कोई इतना बड़ा हस्ती है तो और बिलीव नहीं करते, ये हो ही नहीं सकता। इनविंसिबल सा
Yes.
लगता है, ये
Yes.
तो
True.
ये हो, सो बिग, हाउ कैन ही सडनली गो लाइक दैट। सो वो मॉर्निंग का तो मतलब शौक से लेके गया, फिर हम गए, आई वाज इन दुबई, गॉट द न्यूज, देन then there was a thing, then that the thing came out that he drowned. So that
Yes.
ड्राउनिंग ही का था। अभी भी मेरे मन में तो ड्राउनिंग ही का है। एंड तो बॉडी वहां से लाएंगे कैसे, वो सब में 2 दिन निकल गया। सो आई वेटेड, I was in touch with his wife. We are close. Zubin and I'm
Of
like
course.
30 years, 30, more than 30, I don't know, 96, 97 से जितना भी है।
30 years
So
easily.
हाँ, so Gorima was obviously, I cannot even imagine what she was going through. But we messaged, she replied back, sweet of her, she said, "आजा तू," बोलो मैं आ रहा हूँ। So I reached in the evening, जिस दिन को वो पहुंचे, and उनका बॉडी फाइनली ऐसे करके आया दिल्ली होके। So I reached in the
Hmm.
evening, he reached Guwahati in the morning, and it was shocking. Then after few days only, तब तक तो हमें होश संभाल रहे थे हम लोग भी, पर थोड़े दिनों में ये सब आया ना कि उनको जानबूझ के किसी ने मारा, किसी
Yes.
किसी ने क्या बोलते हैं, लापरवाही की, whatever that is,
Even the
careless।
Assam CM has now sort of publicly said that it's a murder.
Yeah, that's, I've heard now that he said or whatever. I haven't seen him saying it, but initial as I'm saying, it was between carelessness. How could this happen? People around him knew he was like this, so should have. So ऐसा हम लोगों का, we are going through it. So a lot of investigation was expected and requested by every Assamese,
Hmm.
everyone in us. We all requested that investigation. I think still going on, and then I think charge sheet or whatever that happens after police does his investigation. I think
Yes.
that's when law takes over or something. Then it goes to court or something,
Yes.
right? That's the process.
Yes.
The
Yes.
judicial.
Once the
So I
charge
think
sheet is filed, then it's good. It's good.
so charge sheet is the end of the investigation, I guess.
Yes.
So that is what is happening, I think. So I can't say, I mean, what do we know what's happening? You would know better than me, maybe, as a journalist.
I'm not asking you for facts, sir. How are you sort of feeling as, someone who was a friend, who's seen him all of these things, and then suddenly these things? Because there's a lot of unrest in the entire sort of, at least in Assam, about this entire thing. And of course, social media, being social media, is a ground, where misinformation is being fed, and people are reacting to every bit about it. So how do you sort of feel about all of these things?
See, मैं तो बहुत अलग लेवल पे सोचता हूँ. आई एम लिटिल स्पिरिचुअल एज अ पर्सन आल्सो. आई हैव लॉस्ट
Mm.
बोथ माय पेरेंट्स.
Yes.
have, I mean, losing a father is the biggest loss. If someone has lost his father, will know.
True.
So, and that too, a father like that, who was my guru, was my friend, who was everything that I am today. My music. He didn't give me money, but he gave me music in blood and everything. So that is, I mean, that's something you cannot be explained. I mean, incomplete. Only when I realized that I'm learning from him is when he suddenly left. I was not even ready. थोड़ा जल्दी
Hmm.
चले गए. Yeah, then mom lost. Then mom I lost. There were some medical issues, which was again a question mark. कि अगर ऐसे किया होता तो माँ शायद बच जाती. Those kind of things were there.
Hmm.
तो
Yes.
बहुत टाइम लगा, मुझे बहुत टाइम लगा इससे. I couldn't listen to my father's music for 7-8 years. After he passed, सुन ही नहीं
Hmm.
सकता था मैं. I cannot. रो
Yes.
today आंसू निकलते. What I'm trying to say is that when you lose someone like that, and sorry, I lost track. What was I saying? Yeah. So I accept that. Yeah. I mean, if someone's done that deliberately, has to be punished, right? I mean, should be punished.
Yes.
But punishment is one side. Other side is, if you believe in soul, atma, and all that. I believe this is very unfortunate what we are going through.
Hmm.
Someone like that, who's given so much music, art, and who's and a personal fund for whoever he's a friend to, or family, a member, or jobi, we should be able to let his soul travel to the other side peacefully. Not all of this that's happening. That is what is disturbing to me.
Hmm. Exactly.
So I
And that is what I sort of wanted to know as well, that kahin na kahin, matlab, it feels wrong that this all is happening. Not that
whatever is
investigation shouldn't
whatever is
happen and all.
happening, yeah, I said it's very unfortunate what happened. If that happened, then it's really unfortunate, and we need to know that as soon as possible for all of us to feel little conclusion to something. We are all
Hmm.
lost. We are all hanging. And so I believe if we keep hanging ना, ऐसे हम सब लोग अगर hanging ही रहेंगे ना एनर्जी की तरह, उनका सोल आत्मा भी खुद भटकता रहेगा. उसको तो जाना है कहीं. He has to be reborn. He has to make music again. So yeah, or art again, or whatever. So I
Hmm.
think like that. I think at a very deeper level, which अब लोगों को समझाना, ये तो क्या समझा, आप पूछे तो मैं बताया. But that's how I feel. It is not nice sometimes. अभी मैं बहुत busy हूँ. ये season बहुत दिन. This November is very busy. Also health wise, हम लोग अभी it's very difficult. It's very tough. Can you imagine how I'm traveling? कल दिल्ली है, परसों गोवा है.
Yes.
I have to take care
Yes.
of my health. Or maybe at my age, I'm also unwell. There are a few things happening to my health. But I have to give full performance to the audience who's waiting to see कि उसने टिकट काटा है, वो आके देखेगा. उसको उसको तो मैं दुखी नहीं कर सकता. तो through all this we are going, and there's too much happening. So उसके बीच कभी उसके एक दो गाना, उसके लिए मैं कभी कभी ट्रिब्यूट एक गा रहा हूँ इधर उधर उसके गाने. वो गाते वक्त थोड़ा सा स्टेज पे ना नम सा लगता है, तब बुरा लगता है. उसके पिक्चर्स हम पीछे लगाते हैं
Hmm.
विजुअल डिस्प्ले में, तो वो देख के फिर बुरा लगता है. मतलब